Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you back again to Tablescape Tuesday. Now, Tablescape Tuesday is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Courtney of Amethyst Adventures. I will leave their channel links in my description box below. Some weeks they may have a guest host. Most of the time it's freestyle, so which means that you can decorate however you choose to. And then when they have a guest host, it is at the request of their guest. This week they have two amazing guests, and that is Indy Jones and Antoinette of Antoinette Decorating. I'm not sure if I have her channel name correctly, but it will be in my description box below. So ladies and gents, please make sure you go over and check out their channels. Now, as the request of the host, it is Mackenzie inspired. So I have pulled out my beautiful Mackenzie vase here. I've inserted some hydrangeas, very beautiful pieces. And I'm going to continue and decorate this table in a Mackenzie inspired look. Although I do have my little pieces here, I have my little picture here, and then I have the vase or urn, or however you want to call it. So right now I'm just playing around with it just to see what look I want to go with. I actually started with these wooden chargers here, and these are some that I purchased from Pure One many years ago, and the price on them at that time was $16.95, and it was probably a discount code or something. But I'm going to use these charger plates, and then I wanted to go in with these chargers to elevate the look. And as you can see, these work so well with the picture here and the urn. So I'm just gonna layer, and I'm thinking about, because it's Thanksgiving and you know we are getting ready for that family feast of family and friends, I thought about going in with these dishes here. So what I have to do is work with this, play around with it to actually get it to work. But I'm going to go in with these beautiful dishes, and I got these from TJ Maxx. And I think I purchased them last year. I actually thought I had gotten these from Hobby Lobby, but they were at TJ Maxx at $4.99 for the plate, and then I got the appetizer plate or bread plate, however you choose to use this plate, and these were at $3.99. So I'm going to go ahead and play around with this and see what I can come up with. So for the sake of the video not being so long, I am going to play around with this, and then I'll bring you guys back for the final look. There will be quite a few other participants, so I'm going to try to shorten it, and I will be back. And you can see I've just kind of started playing around with it. Not sure which way we're gonna go with this, but okay guys, before I bring you in and share with you my latest masterpiece, yes, this is what I am calling it, my latest masterpiece, yes. So I want to say thanks to all of you for stopping by. I hope you will enjoy what I have created for you, as it is the Mackenzie inspired Tablescape week. So if you're new, that means your very first time here, or even if you've been here before and you didn't subscribe, I would love for you to do that as of now. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, or choose the verbiage that says all, and make sure you give me a thumb. Those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I give you a big hug, and I want to say thanks for all of your love and support. Now, as I stated, this is a Mackenzie inspired tablescape. I got very creative, shared with you a few things before I started, but what I was saying was, oh yes, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, sit back, relax, enjoy the playlist, as there will be many other creators that will be sharing with you their Mackenzie inspired whether it's a tablescape or bar scape. Don't forget to check out the host, the calls, and all of the other creators that are participating. I will include the playlist link in my description box below, along with the channel links of all of the other the hosts and the co-hosts. So make sure you check them out. And that is Adventures. You will find Courtney, Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and the co-hosts for this week are Indy Jones and Antoinette Decorating. All links will be in my description box below. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you in for the reveal. Okay, guys, let me bring you in for the reveal. And you guys know I love to start with my centerpiece, as it is very simple today, but it's absolutely beautiful. I went in with these beautiful hydrangeas, and they look so lifelike or real-like, and I thought they would work perfectly as a contrast into a little ginger jar here. Now this ginger jar I purchased from consignment, and the lady let me have it, I think, for either $40 or $50. And I've shared this a while back in a collaboration that I did a couple years ago, and it's when I introduced these pieces to my channel. So I also placed this here on top of this little mirrored glass here on top of a little acrylic stand for a little bit more stability. Added in a few of my little wood-like pumpkins and the ambiance from this little candle holder here that has the it's a candle holder, but it also has this greenery that's absolutely gorgeous. It looks almost like the magnolia leaves, but absolutely beautiful. And this is actually a candle ring, so I place all of this here in the center to create my centerpiece. So I'm going to pull you back out for a little bit better look as the ambiance from those little tea light candles that are inside the little candle holders. And for my place settings, I went in with these charger plates that I shared with you in the beginning. I just kind of layer the look here. My dinner plate and this plate here, you can use it as an appetizer plate, your bread plate, or even a salad plate. So whatever you choose to use it for, it's completely up to you, or shall I say for the host of the event. Absolutely beautiful. And I thought these were perfect. As you know, we are prepping for Thanksgiving, and nice little dishes to sit out. And these chargers here, I love that bubble look. Looks almost like raindrops on the outside of a window. Just so pretty. So I'm just gonna place these back. Decided to go in with these candle rings here, and I think these are so beautiful. And added these napkins. And so you can see my colors are all working together. And we'll go over and let you check out the ginger jar in the center there, and these colors just working very well together. Giving us a little contrast here, but a nice contrast. So I decided to go in with these wine glasses, and you can see that amber look on the base here. Decided to just go with a knife and a fork this time, being that I don't have a soup bowl. So guys, this is my styling for my Mackenzie Childs inspired Tablescape, and I went in with my Mackenzie Child's ginger jar there in the center. And if you look over in the corner, I've also added the picture back there in the back. And I'm just using that as a vase as well. So here guys, we've made it to the end, and I hope you have enjoyed everything that I have provided for you on this day. Hopefully I have inspired, motivated, or shared something with you, some sort of a tip that you could find yourself creating a wonderfully decorated table, whether it is Mackenzie Childs inspired or something that you yourself find inspiration from. So be blessed. Take care. Until the next video, I am your host and your Styling with Gigi Faison. Don't forget to check out the host and the co-host for this collaboration, as their information is in my description box below. Thanks, guys. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰